is equipped with a hinged, transparent safety guard. Thanks to the generous cutting height, paper stacks of up to 250 sheets can be easily cut. The hand crank is used to adjust the spindle-guided back gauge quickly and easily to the desired cutting position. Perfect alignment of the paper stack is ensured with the accurate aluminum side guides and the precise measuring scale along the lateral back gauge. Fine adjustments are made using the measuring scale. The automatic disengage mechanism on the crank prevents unintentional movement of the paper once it is set. The patented lever-activated manual clamping system allows the clamp pressure to be easily adjusted for different paper qualities. The safety catch locks the blade lever in the up position until you are ready to make the cut. Our high-quality blades made of Sullivan steel ensure a perfect cut